Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my brother and sister, today it's August 3, 2024. It's Saturday. So, it's almost 10:35 now a.m. here in Dubai, UAE. So, I will show you now my updated physique. It's better than 3 weeks ago. So, uh, I already eat one meal, my brother and sister. In the morning, I eat oatmeal and tuna, then some vegetable there. Then I went to the pool. We did some tanning. We did sunbathing. So my color now is a little bit dark. So it's nice looking. The muscle is more defined because of this tanning. So I will show you now, my brother and sister, the updated visit. I'll do a back side and front shot. So let's go. So in the morning we did some tanning, my brother and sister. Sunbathing. So our body now is more red. When I'm not posing my body sister, I try to control the breathing. So I can showcase my muscle and cuts of my body. So very good by now. No back shot. So we will do 7 mandatory pose of bodybuilding. We do a front, side and back shot. So let's go. So front double bicep. Lat spread. Side chest. Back double bicep. Lat spread. Side tricep. Abdominal and thigh. So this abdominal and thigh, I have very good line now in my stomach. So let's go. So next, most muscular. We have very good line na my band sister. Especially this area. So that's it, my band sister. My updated physique August 3, 2024 Saturday. So we already eat one meal. We eat some oatmeals, tuna and vegetable in the morning. Then we did some sunbathing. So that's why my colors a little bit shiny and dark. So that's it, my band sister. I hope you enjoyed the video. Before I go, my band sister, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell. So I'll always be updated to my new uploading video to my YouTube channel. And also, you can share and like my video, my band sister. So, I'll see you again, my band sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Peace.